Part 3. It is Monday morning or afternoon, March 15th, 2021. Musical accompaniment by the Rieger Orchestra over here. Duo. Thank you, you guys are doing great. Excellent. You get lodging for life, room and board, everything. Alright, the drawing is about half done, and I've been changing my mind since yesterday as to whether I'm going to have it in there like that, or with the allegorical sea monster on the right. But it's not that important for the time being. I've got to decide what I'm going to draw in the body of the sea monster here. I'm going to do the teeth, and the tongue is going to be red. I found an old, what we used to call abbreviation, TN card, transaction card. I worked in the old circulation services department at the main Seattle Public Library, downtown Seattle, like 1981-82. We had these, at the checkout desk, we had these, this pre-computer era, at least for the patrons, we had these big microfilm machines. And the patron would come up with their books and records, whatever they were checking out. And we would, the books and records, 33 RPM records, had like a pocket with a card which we'd pull out. We'd photograph with the microfilm machine the info on the card, like the title, call number, whatever. And then we would insert a one of these TN transaction cards in the book pocket with the title, call number card, and so on. The patron would know when it's due. When books, records would ever get returned, we would pull out the TN card. And I went to Goodwill this morning. I bought this tan frame and cut a piece of plexiglass to fit. That's being set there. I also have, these are all being thrown out of the branch I worked at in the 1990s. Got them out of the trash. They were actually from the card catalog, old style, like index card catalogs. And this was pot. I've got to clean off the dirt on there, like a pot, like for plants. Okay, guys, quiet down. You're doing great, though. Anyway, I'm going to put a piece of wood in the corner here, glue it in with a hole drill in it, so that will be inserted in there. Another kind of symbolic reference for me to the 29 years I worked at Seattle Public Library, as well as the fact that my late mom worked at Queensboro Public Library in New York City for many years. She was a librarian, not a clerk as I was. Anyway, to be continued.